Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix TikTok no internet connection. Tap to retry, connect to internet and try again. So guys, when you open your TikTok app or log in to your TikTok app and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first off, I'll go back, open your TikTok app, and here you can see I am facing this issue when I am clicking on refresh. So here you can see any video is not open on my TikTok app. So guys, if you facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So first off, I'll go back, open your settings and make sure that your airplane mode is off. So after doing this, click on Wi-Fi and connect your Wi-Fi with your iPhone or iPad. So I have not connected, now I am connecting. So here you can see now my Wi-Fi is connected. So if you don't have Wi-Fi, then open your mobile data, and after doing this, check that your problem is fixed or not. So and still having this problem, then open your app store, search your TikTok, click on TikTok and make sure that your TikTok app is updated. So if not updated, then you need to update it. And after doing update, check that your problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then open your settings again, click on general, click on software update. So make sure that your iPhone or iPad is up to date to latest iOS version. And after doing this, click on iPhone storage and click on TikTok and click on offload and click on offload app. So after doing offload, go back and click on date and time and make sure that your iPhone or iPad is set automatically. And after doing this, go back, scroll it down, click on VPN and device management and check that any kind of VPN is not connected with your device. So after doing this, go back and click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset network setting. And here you need to put passcode of your iPhone or iPad, and after doing reset network, your problem will be fixed. So go and check that your problem is fixed or not. So click on TikTok and wait for a second. So here you can see now my TikTok app is successfully open. So guys, if you have this problem, then do these steps and you will be able to open your TikTok app smoothly. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.